Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. In this episode, I'm going to be telling you the mysterious card that goes along with the astrological sign of Pisces. That's the Major Arcana card of the Moon. The Moon card has all of the energy that we talk about when we talk about the sun sign Pisces. Pisces is emotionally very deep, and the symbol of deep emotion is deep water. Well, what do we see in the foreground of the Moon card? We see a little crawfish coming up out of the water and onto a path. Crawfish, as you may or may not know, live on the bottom of the pool that they're in. So whether they're in the sea or in a lake, they're coming up from the bottom. If you ever see them come up, they're bottom dwellers. So we're talking about emerging from very deep emotional waters, and Pisces are the deepest of all. Pisces energy is highly intuitive, the most intuitive sign of the Tarot. Emotionally very deep, very, very sensitive in terms of being empathic and also sensitive emotionally. So this deep water that we see in the foreground of the Moon card represents that emotional and spiritual depth that Pisces has. We also see a little bit of mystery and a little bit of hidden energy in that symbol of the Moon. And Pisces can sometimes be a little retreating, a little retiring, perhaps even a little introverted, a little shy. They like to have their space, they feel vulnerable, and so backing off a little bit helps them to feel protected. So when you see the Moon card show up in a reading, think about the energy that you know about Pisces. A little bit mysterious, definitely psychic, empathic, sensitive, and so on. If you're a Pisces and you see the Moon card show up in a reading, well, you know this is about you and your energy coming to the forefront. And likewise, if you would like to have more psychic ability, you'd like to be more empathic, you'd like to be deeper in your emotions, then you can use the Moon card as a point of magic or point of meditation for bringing more of those qualities into your life. I'm Madam Pamita, and this is Madam Pamita's Parlor of Wonders. You can find me online at parlorofwonders.com. Be sure to go over there where you can find me, and I offer tarot readings, and you can also find a ton of great resources for learning about the tarot and learning about magic. I have guides, workshops, videos, all kinds of good stuff for you learning on your own, finding out more information. So please go over there and check it out. I'd love for you to subscribe to the channel here by pushing that subscribe button right down there and joining my tribe here on YouTube so that you can be among the first to know when I have a new video coming out. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to bringing another video to you very, very soon.